Today we're going to install the Alvan tire rack. We only bought the tire rack without the ladder because we already have the collapsible ladder, and besides, I just want a clear view when we look out the back window. So let's start. The Alvan tire rack came with the rack and this box. The rack is actually black. It's not silver like this, but since I wanted to match the silver to our silver car van, so I have it powder coated with the local company that does powder coating. So get that one is powder coated, and it comes with the ring that goes on the bottom to support the tire. We have this one powder coated also. These are the tools we're gonna need. This
torque wrench.
The big torque wrench. The ratchet. This is a cute one. This is a new one, honey. A flat screwdriver. Why do we need the scissor? Oh, to cut some tape later on. The marker and the drill bit. Anything bigger than
3/8.
3/8 of an inch. Okay. And then we have all these.
19mm socket.
This.
9/16 socket with an extension.
This little thing.
And a 7/32 Allen bit.
And of course, the drill. And then, of course, gloves, rag cleaning up, and alcohol, and some spray paint. Of course, a goggle. Good. So inside the box, it came with all these screws, and it even came with the step drill bit. And I think he said it was supposed to stop at 7/8.
Yes.
There's a mark right
Around
here.
there.
Yeah, so that would be the width of this hole right here. So even for this place, since it's going to show right behind our door, I have it powder coated as well to match.
Oh my gosh.
And this also powder coated. I think this is the lock. After you put the tire on, you lock it. Okay, let's take this panel out to expose the opening right here. I'm scared.
You know what you're doing, honey?
Ah! Oh. So when we drill the hole, it's gonna be somewhere here. Yeah, right here. This way there's an opening on the door. That's why we have to take the panel off, so we can tie the bolt right here later.
Okay, honey, let's do it.
Drill. The first step is to use the template that's included and make a mark where we're gonna drill a hole into the door. To put like a dot in the middle of the circle, and then just circle. I'm going in. Let me stand up. Okay, wait. Are we for
You
real?
can do it, honey. Go for it.
No! I'm too scared, honey.
You're going through.
My poor door. I can't do it. Here, you do it. I should have drilled. Look what happened. I think you went in too far, honey, with your drill. Almost. Oh my God, my poor door.
There's a panel that will cover everything.
Still, it needs to look nice underneath too. Okay, so the next step is to enlarge this hole to the mark 7/8 on here. So I'm gonna take over this time, honey.
Oh, come on, let me do it.
Oh,
It fit.
it fits, because that's all you need. As long as it slides in, don't make such a big hole, right? a lot of metal shavings. So go ahead and clean again.
I get to do the dirty job, huh?
Go
You
ahead.
get to do the fun job.
We're gonna put some Rust-Oleum paint in here, just around where we cut it to prevent rust.
Take it, take it, take it.
Oh, oops. Here on the inside panel, we'll have to put a little paint in here too, right here. Now we just have to wait for the paint to set. Maybe take a coffee break.
Okay, and
Okay. When they did the powder coating, they have to take off the 3M tape that comes with this plate. Let's clean the area off with rubbing alcohol so that the 3M tape can adhere to this really good. Okay, so now we can put this in. Let's see. Okay, let's put the rack together, these two pieces.
wow, you're strong, honey.
It's actually very light. And this is the hoop.
Hoop.
So I guess it's supposed to go on like this. And let me get the screws. So let's turn this over so we can tighten it.
What a strong wifey.
Then you're supposed to tighten it a little bit on one side,
And
and
go
then
to the other one.
a little
alternating.
bit. Yes, yeah, alternating. So the next step is to put the rack onto the hinge right here. So first we have to line up this plate. See this is the narrow part. It goes up on top. This is the wider part here from the circle. And when you put it in, no, it should line up. So for this piece, I guess it goes in this way, just like this. There are four short screws like this. And then, so we're gonna put one screw on the bottom, one screw on top.
So next we're going to put this on here like this. We're going to lay the bottom down here first. That and lay it on the nut itself. There.
Okay.
And then I can actually get me a washer
And a nut.
and a nut for each of them. We're going to put some Loctite in later when we tighten it. So we do that there, and we'll do the bottom and the same
The
thing.
washer and the bolt.
Yes.
Okay, let me put this second one in here. Okay, so these long screws come with two washers and the nut. Let's take one washer out. And there's a bushing that's supposed to be in the middle here. So like that. Let's put this washer in here. And the nut. And tighten it by hand first to let it go in. Okay, we have to hold the nut inside with the hatchet. Wait,
A ratchet.
ratchet, not hatchet, no, ratchet. And then tighten it with this.
And we tighten it up so that it squishes
A little bit,
lightly
he said.
against the bushing, right?
Yes. Now we really have to tighten these bolts down. So
We put some Loctite on there, and we tighten them to 30 pounds.
okay, you need to do that.
There we are. We're done.
We're done. Let's put this back. Ow!
Yeah. I think you're done.
That hurts. Okay, let's see. It feels pretty tight.
Oh my God.
We had to stop yesterday because our son, he was working on his car and he was walking in and out, in and out. So
Now it's getting hungry.
I know. And so today we're gonna put the tire on this tire carrier. And our spare tire is the OEM tire. We bought it from another owner who upgraded their tires. So the long bolt comes with these 3 washers. We actually only need one right here. I need to unscrew this part and take the other 2 washers out. And I need to slide it right behind here to get it in here. See, this is where the tire is gonna go in, and then it could be adjusted. And let's put these 2 washers back and the nut. Tip from our van, I think he just put the flat screwdriver in here to hold it, and then, no, is it going this way? Yes, just so. Not a good tip, no. No. My fault.
Human error.
Human error. Okay, let it go this way. Whoa. I'm just gonna do it with my hand.
That's actually
It
faster.
is actually faster. You just have to tighten it a little bit. Not too tight, but we have to be able to adjust it up and down according to the tire.
Yeah.
Let's see. So we need to adjust this a little lower.
So actually the best way to do this is because you can't put a socket back here, it's too tight. Put this here to hold on to it and tighten it.
Ah. Wait, why is it so high now?
Happened.
It moved.
Put the tape right there already.
You marked it wrong. Can you loosen it from here? Here. How about if I lead it out? Here. Okay, let's put this rubber plate on, and there's a hole here. Then we're supposed to thread this plate past this hole to make it stronger. We're not supposed to rest the plate on the hole. Ah.
Having fun, honey?
You know, it's still a little tilted. Let me straighten it out.
A little OCD?
Yeah. It's nice and straight now. So right now we don't have a spare tire cover, but it's on order. We bought the one that has the stainless steel ring with the face plate, and we are having it paint match to the van, so we're still waiting for that. So when it comes, we can do another video to show how we install that one in, because I think it's a little bit more complicated than just the fabric spare tire cover. I think
Bling, bling.
I know. But thank you for watching.